Hello everyone, this is Raymond Lee, who is the president of Doowon USA Inc., which is an American distributor of ARUM Dentistry of a Korean milling machine company. This time, we have an exhibition of the LMT Chicago Lab Day. We welcome you who have an interest in dental milling machines. No matter what milling target you have, we can satisfy you because we have 11 different milling machines with a great reputation all over the world. In the United States, the biggest companies such as Glidewell, Algen, and MDX are using a lot of ARUM milling machines. When you visit our booth, East Exhibit Hall number L28, our professional sales and tech support persons help you in detail. If you cannot visit our booth this time, you can watch several videos of Raymond's Dental Solutions. Particularly, I made a video titled with the Dental Lab Business Growth Strategies, How to Grow Your Dental Lab Business. It will be helpful for your dental lab business. We look forward to your participation. Thank you so much.